Hi viewers, how to solve this tricky, interesting math Olympiad functional equation given f of x equals x to the power of x, then to the power of x. We are asked to find f prime of x. Alright, so yeah, before I solve it, can you take a pause and attempt this problem and drop your answer in the comment section? We want to find f prime of x. So alright, let's say solution. So from this given equation, let's say let our k be equals to x raised to the power x, x to the power of x. Alright, so where k here is a function of x, so we have f of x equals x raised to the power k. So we have to note here that k depends on x. So by introducing natural logarithm to both sides, we are going to have ln f of x equals ln x raised to the power k. Alright, so then here we have ln f of x equals, from the property of ln, so this k will come to the front, so then we have multiply by ln x. Alright, so the next step is to differentiate, but if you differentiate ln x, so we know that if you differentiate ln x, we are going to have ln x equals 1 divided by x. But there's something you have to note here, that f of x is a function on its own, and there is another function, so which is ln here. So this is a dependent variable, and anytime we have anytime we have to differentiate, we will be adding another derivative. So and since the derivation is coming as a function, so we are going to be having f prime of x divided by f of x. I hope you get that. So, and also you have to note that you have to know that we can also use chain rule for this. So f prime of x divided by f of x equals, so then we keep this, we differentiate this, plus we keep this, then we differentiate this. So we are going to have k prime, we differentiate this, we keep this, then x plus, let's keep this, then differentiate ln x, so which is 1 divided by x. So what we are going to have now here is, we have f prime of x divided by f of x equals f prime of x multiplied by ln x plus, if we say k times 1, we have k divided by x. Do you understand that? So, and from here, we are going to have f prime of x, right? So if we kind of multiply this with this, that is cross multiply, we are going to have f of x, then multiply by k prime, multiply by ln x, plus k divided by x. So, however, we need to find k prime, and to do that, so we recall that k equals x raised to the power x, right? So if you recall that k is equal to x to the power of x, we are going to have, if we introduce ln to both sides, we are going to have ln k, alright, so equals ln x to the power of x. So here we have ln k equals, from the property of ln, so this will come for, so we have x multiplied by ln x. So then here now, if you differentiate that, like I explained earlier, if you differentiate ln k, we are going to have k prime divided by k equals, here also we keep this, we differentiate this, we keep this, we differentiate this. So let's keep ln x multiply by, derivative of x will be 1, plus, let's keep x, derivative of ln x will be 1 divided by x. So we know this will cancel out this, alright? So then we are going to have k prime divided by k is equals, what is left here? We have ln x plus 1. Let's start this to be star star. So, however, we have to recall again. Okay, sorry. Here, from here now, we can just cross multiply and have our k prime. So we are finding our k prime equals k multiplied by ln x plus 1. All right, let's make this to be equation star star. So now we can now recall, we have to recall that f prime of x equals f of x, then multiply by k prime multiplied by ln x plus k divided by x. Let's not forget from our equation star. So then we want to substitute this k prime into this. So we are going to have k prime ln x equals, we have k multiplied by ln x plus 1. So then we have ln x here, right? So multiply by ln x. So k prime ln x equals, let's multiply, use k to multiply out these brackets. So we are going to have k ln x plus k, then multiply by ln x. All right. So from here, what we are going to have is, we have k ln x times ln x. We have k ln square x, right? Plus k times ln x. We are going to have k ln x. All right. So that means that we've obtained our k prime ln x. So therefore, our k prime of x will now be equals f of x multiplied by f of x. K prime is k ln square x plus, then we have k ln x, all right, plus k divided by x. So therefore we have the f prime of x equals f of x, right, multiply by, if you look at this place, we have k in common. So let's factorize k out. We have f of x multiplied by k. Then what will be left here? We have ln square x plus, what is left here? Ln x plus, what is left here? 1 divided by x. So therefore, our f prime of x is equals, don't forget that our f of x is given to be x raised to power x, then raised to power x, right? So our k is given as x raised to power x, right? So then we have multiplied by x square ln square x, right, plus ln x plus 1 divided by x. Guys, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. So can you let me know if this method works best and faster for you? Also, I'll break down in step-by-step guide on how to solve this kind of functional equation in the video above. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.